At Kramer School of Nursing, we have what we call the Kramer Way. And it's really 3 core attributes. It's caring, kindness, and respect. It's just a way we practice here at the school.
We utilize technology in the classroom as part of our teaching approach. We utilize computers so that we use a lot of digital technology. We have digitalized exams. We also have the opportunity to participate in the utilization of our simulation lab. And so we are able to practice our nursing skills with that technology in a safe environment. And it allows the students that, while they may not be perfect the first time they perform a skill, it allows them to practice it many times and in a safe environment. And it's also safe for patients.
Anybody that is interested in advancing the discipline of nursing, or maybe achieving the next level at what they're currently doing in their job, would be a perfect candidate for getting their degree here at Kramer School of Nursing.